Welcome back once again to the channel. Now in today's tutorial we are going to start with our isometric drawing in AutoCAD. Now I already made a presentation of the introduction to isometric drawing. If you've not watched the video, it's in my description. Just click on it to see how we start. Now this is what we are going to do. Now in isometric drawing, it's also a type of 2D drawing but in a pictorial form, in a form of picture. So let's get the dimension and we see how we can draw this. Now if you watch this object, the vertical height over here is shown here 18 millimeters, and then to the left side the angle formed that the left side is 54. That is the length, sorry, the length is 54 millimeters, and the total length for this side is 80, and this cutout here you can see is 40. So if here is 40, then here will be 20, here to be 20. All right, and then the vertical down of this cut is 10, the height is 10. And if you look at this, from the center of this circle to the base here is 30, and the radius for this is 25. Okay, and now if you watch, the distance between this is 20, and the distance from here to this side also is 17. So from this place, this one is in line with this edge, so from this place to this place will be 20 as well. So let's open our AutoCAD and start. So when you open your AutoCAD, basically this is what you see in your interface. Okay, we are in the normal 2D plane. So if you are doing isometric drawing, you have to change it over here. You just have to come to isometric drafting. See, it's off, so just click on it and then your planes will change. Now I also taught how, if you want to change your plane, that is to right, to left, or to the top, you press F5 key. So when you press F5, you can see now we are in iso left. That is, you draw a line in this direction, and this is iso top, meaning you can draw a circle at the top or lines at the top, and then this is iso right, so meaning you can draw at this angle. So let's start. So we will start with this side, line 18, then we move up 80. So just pick your line command, click anywhere, vertical line is 18, you press enter. Now zoom out. Okay, so we move to this direction. Make sure your green tracking line is on. In that manner it will help you. If not, you will just be drawing at any angle, but this is inclined at 30, so it will help you. Okay, so we are in iso right, so the length is 80, so just enter 80. Good, and we come down 18 again, and then we are still in iso right, so we are drawing this cutout here. Here is 20, so let's draw 20. Okay, and then we move up 10 according to the drawing. Then we come 40, and then you come down 10 again, and then you join it to this one. Okay, so we are done with iso right. Now you press F5 to change to iso left. You want to draw in this direction, so this one 54. So just pick your line, click the end here, the distance is 54, the vertical height is 18, and then join it to this one. Good. Now we want to draw this one. So if you watch, from this place here is 20. Okay, it's in line with this one, so 20, then the distance from here is 17. So I'll just pick a line command. Now bring my cursor here, I'll not click, and just drag right, enter 20. Now we need to change to iso right, so press F5. Okay, iso right, pick your line, bring the cursor here to the edge, now to the right, enter 20. Don't click, just bring your cursor down here, don't click. Okay, and then just point it to the right. You want to get a distance over here, so don't click. A line from here, okay, so 20. Now the 20 will just pick the dimension for you. Okay, and then you move to this direction with your green line, 17. Good. So this is where you're going to start drawing this thing. So the height you can see is 30, so just move up 30, you press enter, and then you go to this direction. Now if you watch, the diameter or the radius for this bigger circle is 25, so the diameter will be 50. So just move in this direction, iso right 50, you press enter, and then you come down 30, you press enter. Okay, then you join it to this one. That is it. Now let's delete this line, we don't need it. Alright, so we have a circle here, two circles, one radius 25, another one 26. So to draw an isometric circle, you cannot use this normal circle. Okay, it will fail. Let's try. See, it will be drawing in a different plane, because this is the normal 2D plane. So for you to draw an isometric circle, you can come over here to the ellipse command. Now when you see the ellipse, then you select axis end, you click on axis end. Now when you click on axis end, you come down here, you see iso circle, click on the iso circle. Now when you click on iso circle, this is where you have to be very careful. If your plane is in iso right and you are drawing the circle in iso left, it won't pick. So you have to make sure you are in the right plane. So currently we are in iso, let's see. Okay, we have to draw in iso right, so this is the best plane. So let's see. You see, assuming we change, let me try and change it to iso left, you see how it will be. So go there again, or the shortcut for the circle, you can just type EL, you press enter, and then you press I. Okay, so let's see and change the plane to iso left and try to draw. Now you see you won't get it in the right plane. Also in iso top, you see it will also change. So you have to make sure you are in the right plane, which is iso right. You want it in this direction. Okay, so because it's 50, you can just end it here. And also again, we need a circle again with diameter of 26. So ELI, and then click. Now choose diameter, enter 26. Good. So now we can trim the unnecessary lines. TR shortcut for trim. Let's trim this one and delete this line. Good. Now you see we want to draw another one here, 20. So we can select this whole thing and then we copy it. So copy CO, then select our base point from here. Okay, and then move back, make sure your polar tracking is on, you move back 20, enter 20. Good. So from here you can trim this line. Okay, and even this as well. Now let's finish up by drawing this line and then joining this one as well. Let's keep trimming. All right, so we are almost done. Let's try and add this line. So select line command, the same iso right, make sure your polar tracking is on, and from here to this. Okay, so there's a line also here. Good. So this is how you can draw your drawing in isometric drawing in AutoCAD. Now in the next tutorial I'll teach you how you can dimension your isometric drawing. Okay, thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll attend to it. See you in my next tutorial.